In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use your district laptop to take a picture of an assignment and submit it with your assignment in Teams. So first off, you're going to go and you're going to open your camera. So go to the Windows Start screen, click on Camera. There I am, hello. Now you're going to make sure you're clicked on the camera and not the video. So I got clicked on the camera. Oh, and I took a picture of myself. So you're going to put up the assignment, get in there best you can, take a picture. All right, now that you have a picture of the assignment, you can close the camera. And you're going to go to your Microsoft Teams. Go to the classroom. Go to General and then Assignments. This is the Rights and Responsibilities worksheets, and you're going to click Add Work. Upload from this device. There's going to be pictures, camera roll. There's the picture of the assignment. Open. Click Done. And then click Turn In. That is all you need to do to upload a picture into the assignment. It makes it a little easier. Always feel free to contact me if you have any questions.